what's going on? So today we got a video from Midwest Safety, and the title of the video is "Man Steals Officer's Taser, Doesn't End Well." Let's get into the video, man. Let's do it.
Hey, step out of the car. Let me see your hands. Hands up. Do not run from me.
Oh, he gonna hawk you down.
The car's occupied.
He gonna hawk him down.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. You're gonna get tased. You're gonna get fucking tased, man. Get on the
get
ground.
Hit with that.
Get on the fucking ground.
Oh, he caught him? Get that work, boy.
Whatever.
Get that work. Oh, wait. This is about to go south real quick. Did you see that? He grabbed a, oh man. I ain't gonna lie though, when he got close, when he was running, like that officer's pretty fast, or the guy is slow, because for officers to catch you, you gotta think, bro, they got like 30 pounds of equipment on themselves. Like, you know what I'm saying? So it weighs them down, you know what I mean? But yo, I would have got close and hit him with that bow. Oh, with that taser, you hear me? What? He would have went down, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, this is about to get crazy though.
Get on the ground! Get on the fucking ground! Roll over! Roll over! Get off me.
The suspect now bites the officer.
Yeah, you got hit with that act right.
Give me the other hand now! You're gonna get him again! Give me the other hand!
All right, please.
Put your hand behind your back!
Please don't.
Now! Grab his arm.
This one?
You're gonna get it again!
No, please.
The officer who just arrived is a community service aide, meaning he is just a cadet and not yet a sworn officer. His training will be put to the test in this very moment.
Please.
Roll! Give me your arm!
Please.
Give me your arm!
Please. Please. A teaser hurt.
It's gonna hurt again if you don't give me your arm!
I do not deserve.
Stop!
I am nothing.
Give me your hand!
No.
Give me your other hand, you're gonna get tased again! Give me your hand, you're gonna get tased again!
No, please.
Give me your other hand now! Give me your other hand!
No. Let me
I'll
up.
have him calling on for Julian Mary Advice East.
Can you please let me up?
Give me your other
Give
hand!
me my hand once again.
Give me your other hand!
Let me get up first.
Get your other hand out from under you!
No.
He keeps saying he has a knife, so watch out.
Oh. Stop hurting me.
Give me your other hand! Slide it out!
I'm mental.
Slide it out!
I'm mental.
Slide your other hand out!
Yeah. Kill me. Do it, bro. Kill me.
Give me your other hand!
Tell me all you want, huh?
You're gonna get tased again!
Fuck it.
Get your other hand from out in front of you!
No. Please, I'll give my hand. Just let me get up. Please, sir. You hurt me real bad.
Hey, slide your other hand out!
All right, let me get up first.
No!
No. Call me a sergeant. I want to talk to sergeant.
That way, tell him. Go.
Yeah, fuck me.
Right in front of you.
Oh, gas was good. Yeah, fuck yeah. Gay.
Okay, grab this arm. He keeps saying he has a knife.
Come on, man.
So I haven't pulled it out from under him yet.
I don't have no knife.
Keep that one close. Get your hand out from under you.
The officer delivers 3 strikes to the suspect's body to gain control of the knife.
Slide that cuff on. Okay.
Yeah, gave him that work, boy.
I have no knife.
Yes, you do.
Where? What's your problem?
Gave him that
What's your
work.
problem? I do nothing to you.
Roll the other side.
I'm kicking your balls.
Roll the other side.
Why the fuck
Roll the other side.
Why the fuck are you hitting me?
Roll over.
Why are you hitting me?
Roll the other side.
Nobody's hitting you.
Yeah, I'm right here's hitting me.
I did hit you. You're right. You told me you were going to stab me with a knife. So, yes, I hit you till your hand came out.
That's my first call, so.
Oh, yeah, that's too far.
Who's Julian?
I don't know.
Julian, for warrant.
Where's my Julian?
I'll put pulling you up right now. Pull your picture up and see if it is you. Because you're the one who tried to tell me you were going to stab me the other day too when I was chasing you.
Stand up. Stand up. Stand up.
I need the ambulance.
You will get an ambulance. Can you send me your car real quick for now?
Okay, so...
Okay. Stop.
No, fuck
You want a helmet on? We can put a helmet on you if you want.
All right, sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
He said, no, sorry. No.
Sorry, I didn't know that. Oh.
You want to act like a clown? Let's go.
You guys have seen it?
Don't bite me.
Mommy!
How old are you?
19.
You're 19?
I think, I don't know.
He's doing this because he said he knows what to do to not go to jail. He's trying to get...
I mean, I don't know. What are you talking about?
That's okay. You'll end up there one way or the other.
What are you talking about trying to stab you? Ma'am?
Huh?
You know what you said the other day when I was chasing you?
You weren't just me.
Hi, Sarge. How are you?
I'm well, and you? Anybody injured?
He just bit me. So we roll up, he's in the back of the car. Give him command to the guy, he takes off running. Foot pursuit, catch him. Here I tackle him, a little scuffle, he grabs my taser, pulls it out, tries to tase me. Grab his arm, hold it down. He starts reaching for my gun. When I was able to reach my taser, broke contact with him. Tased him, flipped him over. Got one hand, cuffed him up with one, and his left hand was stuck underneath him. Okay. Says, I have a knife, I'm gonna stab you. So that's when I decided to just hold him down with that arm pinned underneath him until we had 82, and then we flipped him over. There was a knife in his pocket. It's right here. Okay.
There you go. Now you can let him lay down.
Make sure the medical checks you out for the bite. Good exposure.
Right.
Lean up against the car.
Stand by, get sir. I'm glad you're okay.
Try to get
Are you
one.
okay?
Yeah.
No. Pepsi if you want.
It's not diet either. Have you identified him or anything? No. Okay. He just took off running. He was like in the backseat of the car. I was like, I think something's moving. Jumps out, takes off right away. Yeah. He just bit me. Did you? Yeah.
And they got all the shorties out, huh?
Photo him real quick.
Okay. I was about to say, do you need a minute?
Yeah, photo him real quick. He ran from you the other day? Mm-hmm. Thank you, sir.
This is the guy who ran from me the other day that they swore was Julian. This is not Julian. Right? Or is it? Is it him? He's just got long hair? Maybe?
You don't want to make this harder than it's going to be. So you can either tell us your real name, or once rescue checks you out, we're going to transport you to APD evidence. They will take your fingerprints and they will ID you that way. And then you pick up another charge. Now we're trying to work with you and not add charges on, but you have to work with us.
Did you get photos of him?
What's your date of birth?
All right, do one real quick. Okay, if you want to just do like close-ups of that and that.
Get my shadow in it.
Obviously, we've got a whole bunch of really good felonies. Have any damaged vehicles?
Not mine. Is your vehicle have any damage, Connor?
No. Okay.
Is that it?
Yeah. And then you just get photos of him.
Radio. Did your radio good or is it messed up?
I think it just has some dirt in it. Scratch my glasses, man.
Yeah, he got bit by our fender. I just want to make sure.
Got me
Obviously, I'm going to do
like
this
there.
for it. I just want to make sure.
I don't know if that was from the bite too, but I know that one was the bite.
Get that clean. People are nasty, dude.
Yeah.
Right away.
Yeah.
And then we have our. You got tased.
I'll get my rescue over to take care of you.
Okay.
You good though?
Yeah.
You okay?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah. Good little fight. Just a bite.
Just from him biting you?
Yeah.
Saying he's in the hospital.
Oh, well.
He's probably gonna go just because he's asking.
Just you for use of force or?
Yeah, I was in it. He like came after and was kind of sitting there. I had him just kind of hold his arm. That was about it. And then Roxanne showed up. That's when we tried to actually get his arm out from under him because he said he had a knife in his hand. So I wasn't gonna pull it out until other deputies were here.
And Taser weapons the only thing we had?
Yeah.
Scott's direct.
All right, you guys need anything else for me? You sure you're good, O'Connor?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely. What do you use so far? So you're just going to need this management?
For some peroxide. You want any wrap or you good?
Yeah, just in case. I'll probably just go get it cleaned at Press Now too.
Here you go, brother.
Thank you.
Bit you?
Yeah, that was a good one.
Yeah.
How's it going?
Hey.
Yeah, he just bit me.
The patient?
Yeah. So they kind of dumped some peroxide and some other stuff, and then he just wrapped it real quich.
Okay. Can we see how it looks?
Yeah, go ahead.
Did they break the skin?
Yeah.
You want to go to the hospital with us, or you guys?
I'll drive down to Press Now.
Okay. Latch on pretty good.
No, I was able to kind of, like, I felt him bite it, and I shoved it back towards the back of his mouth so he couldn't get a good grip on it. So I think it was more his teeth scraping it.
Okay.
Okay.
Gotcha.
Nothing. This isn't it, right?
That I don't know if that was that too, but you can see like the teeth marks. So I just shoved it back in the back of his mouth so he couldn't get a good clamp on me.
No other injuries, neck, back, nothing. Okay. Perfect. One other question for you, real quick, Connor. Captain, want to know, as far as the use of force goes, was there any strikes or anything involved?
Yeah. I got him a couple times in his ribs to get that hand out when he said he had the knife.
Okay, perfect. Other than that, just taser deployment?
Yeah. I was trying to do pain compliance, but didn't work.
Perfect.
48, he's bitten 2 people on both instances, and he was trying to bang his head.
Messed up my hair too.
Get that cleaned out quick.
Yeah, I'm gonna go down to
Especially because you don't
Press
know
Now.
what kind of cave or whatever he has. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So
Glad it wasn't a worse
People
bite.
got
I hate
diseases,
bites,
man.
They're the worst.
Get that cleaned up.
But it also comes back to a Sarah point.
He bit the lottery officer and then has charges for stealing lottery tickets.
When was that?
We had a foot pursuit with him a couple of weeks ago.
Oh.
And I almost had him, but I was the only one. I was by myself. And so he ditched into Julian's property. Do you need anything else?
No, can you just have him put that in the cab?
Yeah, and then will you just send me your use of force when you finish it so I get to do it the same?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
The suspect's mother arrives at the scene and informed officers about the suspect, which this officer explains.
Saying he does suffer from quite a couple of mental health. He's been diagnosed, but is off meds, been off for about 2 years. So,
Okay.
well, if you don't need anything else, I'm going to go back to my school.
All right. Thanks for coming. Yeah. No, it's not your fault. Thank you guys for coming out, and I think he cooperated a little more once you guys kind of told him to calm down. So thank you for that.
My son, I'm sorry, he just has this mental health, impulsive behavior, and he's got a couple warrants. So he's my boys. He's not the only one. They have deal with mental health issues, and they're runners. They run from cops. They're just not the best thing, but their impulsive behavior just says run, and they're gone.
Yeah.
And I'm really sorry about your hand.
No, I appreciate that, and you guys have a good rest of your day, okay?
I'm going to take off. Okay, good luck.
This suspect was charged with battery on a peace officer, disarming a peace officer, resisting, and his warrant. He is innocent until proven guilty in a court.